Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and today we're in Eastleigh, South Carolina. This is Garrett Wilson's business. This guy is a rock star, man. He's phenomenal. He was a dyed film guy, just like all of us started out. You know, he was making the $200 a car. He had all the cars in the world he could tint. He has this beautiful facility. He's got all the traffic in the world. He was waking up every day and he was wondering what was missing. So there's a lot of money he was leaving on the table. There was a lot of upsell potential, you know, that he was missing. And once we got to collaborate on that as a couple of entrepreneurs, hey, the rest was history. Let's go meet Garrett, man. I want to show you what his operation's like. I want to show you what he's got going on. And I want to also show you what he's been able to accomplish now that he's been with Flexfilm. Come with me, right in here. We're about to meet Garrett, but he's in the back. Let me point out a couple things I think are really cool. Look at his front counter. He's got everything going on. He's got the computers, he's got the rear displays, he's got the virtual tinter to help people with their decisions on what shade to get. He's got these heat lamp demonstrations. He's got like different banners, and real quickly, he's got a cool showroom. You know, leather couch, nice cooler for drinks, flat panel TV. It's even air conditioning in here, it feels really good. Hey, let's go back and meet Garrett. Okay, come this way, we're about to meet him. Here he is. What we got?
What's up, guys?
This is Garrett.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Garrett
How
Wilson.
are y'all? We're 5 deep right now. We're trying to get out of it. It's 3:30, and this is about a normal day here about this time.
Look at this. Get this. This is Garrett right here. He's got the Suma plotter. He's got a nice laptop. I mean, if you can't see, you can see this. He's got well, I don't know what you're about to cut out, probably some truck. He's picking out the patterns. He's even got security cameras all in here. He's got this nice pill board. He's already started to cut out patterns. For how long you think you'll have these 4 cars?
We'll probably have all these, the 3 in the rear, we'll have out in the next 30 minutes. This is a windshield, it'll be about 45 minutes, and he's finishing up on this. So everything total, all 5 cars, will be out of here in less than an hour.
I know you're a 20-year veteran. Yeah. I know you know what you're doing. You've hand cut, you know plotters, you know everything.
All right.
I just wanted to get your take on this, but listen, you were doing as many cars as there's more people coming in and stuff. You were doing more cars and you've never had a problem with business. You know, you've always, had $200 cars lined up all day long.
Right.
You've always used some sort of a dyed film.
Right.
And we started talking about maybe trying to sell window film based on an emotion rather than an explanation. And bringing a heat lamp in and talking about broad spectrum technology. At that point, I think that's when you started seeing what the value Flexfilm had.
Yeah, the thing about Flexfilms is, I mean, it's not just a numbers-based organization. They're not trying to push numbers on you. However, we happen to have good numbers, but right now we're just trying to give our customers the best bang for their buck. You can cover every budget, so I don't leave anybody out. So every customer that comes in here gets the best bang for their buck, and I don't have to leave the guy out that can't afford the $300 or $400 tint job.
Let's talk about efficiency.
Okay.
If you sat here and tinted every car that with dyed film and you charge a couple $100 a car, you're going to make so much money. When you started adding broad spectrum technology, nanotechnology, films with no dye as opposed to films with dye, did it? I mean, you didn't bring your numbers up necessarily,
well,
but you
brought calling my guys out every day asking about car count now.
Yeah.
So basically what we're doing now is we're utilizing every customer that comes in the door. We're giving them an option that best fits their needs, where before we couldn't do that. Before we couldn't give them the best bang for their buck. We couldn't give them something that blocks out 98% of the heat, and now we're able to do that. So at $200 a car per ticket average, I think right now we're running about $275 per ticket, which that is an increase that just happened 3 weeks ago. So we went to $75 per ticket, 15 tickets a day. You do the math.
Basically, and I don't mean this to sound bad, but you're squeezing more juice out of the berry.
That's exactly right.
And I don't know what clicked with you, but obviously you're a very entrepreneur-minded guy and you see the value in things, but...
I just stayed open-minded. I've been in the smaller shops, I've been in the higher volume shops, and I've just seen the difference, and it clicked when I talked with you because it just made sense to me.
When you show them the heat lamp demonstration and you show them your building, your confidence and your skill, you know, your reputation, are you at any disadvantage because you don't have a particular brand of film?
You know, when you're selling window film based off of motion, you have to have a certain product that can get the job done. And that is what we have now with NanoFlex. It gets the job done. I mean, there's no question about it. I mean, we put their hand in front of the heat lamp before, and I think you did this on purpose. You gave me the heat lamp display 6 months before I bought the first roll of film from you.
I was confident.
Okay.
I knew what our product would do.
What happened though? If you remember, what happened was my medium range film got more sales. I got more upsells on my mid range film, but my ceramic film didn't sell.
Yeah.
You wanna know why? It's because my mid range film was competing with my ceramic film. Now my ceramic film dominates every other film, and when a customer feels that, now there's no question. They look at me like, wow. And I even lift the slide back up just so they can feel that the lamp is blowing out heat. I mean, just it does have heat there.
Have you ever really come across another brand of film or a specific film that blocks out as much or more solar energy, heat energy as
The
our
closest
film
film that I ever used that come close to NanoFlex was so hard to work with, it was impossible to even use. NanoFlex, what's cool about NanoFlex is that there's really not that big a difference. It's just like shrinking your regular dyed films, or you don't have to change anything up on your shrinking technique. It makes things user-friendly for you. And as you can see, we have to be as efficient as possible. Flexfilm is on top of its game now, or else I wouldn't be using it.
We've completely continued to change our films and upgrade or Americanize our films.
The Asian feel is disappearing. It's more Americanized now. It has just a better feel to it. The adhesive is thicker. It sticks to dot matrix better. But beyond that, when you deal with Flexfilm, you deal with the owner. You could call him at any point in time. You picked up the phone 6 months ago and I didn't spend $1 with you, and we've talked on and off for 6 months and I never spent $1. As a matter of fact, you spent more money on me than I did on you for 6 months.
With a little bit of change in your business and marketing, you can add these broad spectrum technologies. You can show heat lamp demonstrations, and you can upsell your customers, and they're asking you to do it. There's value shoppers out there that want more, and they don't want just regular dyed films.
He just offers a plethora of films to choose from. And that's why we've partnered with Flexfilms, and that's why we've been successful, and that's why we've bumped our average ticket about 20% within 3 weeks. And it's gonna go even more than that. I really believe that.
Well, man, thanks for letting us come by and visit with the rock star, man. I get real excited to see a business like this. This is what everybody's trying to get to. Own their own business, have a bay full of cars. Average tickets are well over $200. This is where it's at, man. These are our typical Flexfilm customers, and there's not that many out there, folks. 95% of all the window tinters are slinging dyed film and have no clue. If you have a business like this, we might need to talk. If you are interested in having a business like this, we need to talk. This is what we do at Flexfilm.